Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shalom Blac. Today's video is sponsored by Sephora. I am going to be showing you guys my summertime foundation routine. I'm going to start off by prepping my skin with the Farsali Skintune Blur. This is a perfecting primer serum, so which means that it gives the skin a very nice soft blur. Also reduces the appearance of pores and imperfection on the skin. It's leaving your skin very soft, hydrated, and is actually super lightweight. It is the summertime. What kind of foundation do you think I am going to go for? Of course, something that is water resistant, humidity resistant, right? And something that is also transfer resistant, because you know you're going to be meeting a whole lot of people in the summertime. And that foundation for me is the Becca Ultimate Coverage Foundation. You guys know I rave about this foundation literally on all my videos. I love it. It's not new to me. The foundation is full coverage, but it's super lightweight too, because I know a lot of the times when you hear full coverage, you assume that it's going to be heavy on the face, but it's honestly not. And I do like to match my foundation to my chest. There's a quiz that you can actually take to find the perfect foundation for your skin concern. I'm going to leave the link in the description bar down below. Moving along, we're going to go ahead and take the Becca Ultimate Coverage Concealer, which is basically the sister foundation. This is also water resistant, and this is going to help you with any discoloration underneath the eyes, any bags. To set underneath the eyes, I'm going to be taking the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Baking and Setting Powder. This is in the shade Kufana. I find that this shade is actually really great for deeper skin tone, which I am, and I've been using this for a while, honestly, and I've been loving it. I do like the effect that it gives underneath the eyes. As you guys can see, it just gives it this nice blurred out, rich, soft effect that I love. So I've been using this for a while. I do have it in all the shade. It comes in 8 different shades with, you know, different undertone. This specific one works well with golden undertone. Wow, I'm actually in love with the way my foundation came out today. I don't know, it almost looked like it's just my skin, but like perfect color is matching completely, and I just love the way that this look, honestly. Thank you so much to Sephora for sponsoring today's video. You guys know Sephora is the perfect place to go to discover a vast range of foundation, and also they make it super easy for you to discover the perfect foundation for your skin type, I would say. With all the tools that they have online and in store, you're definitely guaranteed to find that perfect foundation, just like I did.